Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle an intriguing question. Does AI replace programmers? Will programmers be fired when AI technology advances? It's a topic that sparks curiosity and concern among programmers and tech enthusiasts. So, let's dive in and explore the reality of this situation. The fear that AI will replace programmers entirely and result in massive job loss is a common misconception. While it's true that AI technology has made significant advancements in automating certain tasks, the role of programmers remains crucial and irreplaceable. Collaboration and creativity. AI systems are designed to assist and augment human capabilities, not to replace human programmers. Programming is a creative and problem-solving profession that requires critical thinking, innovation, and collaboration. Programmers bring their expertise, experience, and unique perspectives to the table, which AI alone cannot replicate. Complex problem-solving. Programming involves dealing with complex algorithms, designing intricate software architectures, and addressing unique challenges. AI technologies, such as machine learning, can automate certain routine tasks, but they rely on programmers to create and train those AI models. Programmers are essential for developing and refining the algorithms and models that power AI systems. Adaptation and maintenance. AI systems need constant monitoring, fine-tuning, and maintenance. Programmers play a vital role in ensuring the proper functioning of AI technologies. They are responsible for managing data pipelines, identifying and resolving issues, and improving system performance. The expertise of programmers is crucial in adapting AI systems to evolving needs and emerging technologies. Ethical and responsible AI. Programmers have a significant role in ensuring ethical and responsible use of AI. They are responsible for designing AI systems that are unbiased, transparent, and secure. Ethical considerations, such as privacy, fairness, and accountability, require human judgment and decision-making, which programmers are uniquely equipped to handle. New opportunities and skill sets. While AI may automate some aspects of programming, it also opens up new opportunities for programmers. AI technologies require skilled professionals who can work alongside these systems, leveraging their capabilities to create innovative solutions. Programmers can focus on higher-level tasks such as system design, strategy, and managing AI projects. In conclusion, the fear that AI will replace programmers and lead to mass job loss is unfounded. While AI technology has the potential to automate certain tasks, programmers play a vital role in programming, problem-solving, creativity, system maintenance, and ethical considerations. Rather than being replaced, programmers have an opportunity to adapt their skills, collaborate with AI systems, and explore new horizons in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Remember, technology advancements have historically created new job opportunities, and the future will likely follow suit. So, rather than fearing job loss, programmers should focus on upskilling, staying updated with emerging technologies, and embracing the possibilities that AI brings to the programming field. That's all for today's video on whether programmers will be fired when AI technology advances. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on technology, programming, and the future of work.